right, guys, another video talking designs. Yes, another video, same day. Yeah, hey, but today real quick, easy, simple install if you have a lift. Okay, so real simple. G35 sway bar bushings. All right, install the ones I got here. They look a bit worn, and pretty much if you don't have a lift like I have access to, just get a car in jack stands as high as you can. Follow the ratings on the jack stands capacity, and 14 millimeter. So you have, I have 1, 2, 3. Should be a nut right here. I gotta find those from where we took the car apart. But yeah, 1 that's loose. Wow, things you find out. 2, 3, and a nut. All right, so I'm gonna loosen these, drop them down, and put the new bushings in and button it back up. Real quick, easy install. So you guys watch. Might be hyperlapse, might not, but a real short video. All right. Let me see if this impact work. It's a quarter cable. Pretty handy around the shop. Guys, quick install. Bushings are in, and found a nut for the missing one, and it's done. So there you go. All right. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, hit me up for merchandise to help support the channel, and peace.